All right, YouTube, what is up? The following is a very action-packed video. GoPro's really loud, beeping, scaring the fish. There's some giant peacocks sitting right in between these trees, guys. And the water's really clear, so they didn't bite artificials last time. So look what we got. Dead bait. I'm just kidding, some of them are dead. We've got live freaking bluegill, guys. I'm gonna use the dead ones first, see if we can get any of them to bite. And if not, I'm just gonna use all the live ones and catch a crap ton of peacocks. Let's get to it, guys. It's a little overcast today, so I'm not sure exactly how aggressive the peacocks are gonna be. Oh my god. Got one, guys. It's a big one. Oh my god, look at that hump, guys. Holy crap, I haven't seen a pea like that in a long time. He ate that dead, woo! He ate that dead bluegill right next to the shore, right in front of me. Boom, and it's got a hump. Holy crap, look at that fish. All right, well, I'm gonna get a release on this beautiful drag screamer. That 15-pound KastPro held up real good. We've got actually 8-pound leader on. I go really light when I'm catching these fish. You can get a lot more bites that way. Look at that fish. Boom. Let's get some more of those. I like the looks of that, bro. I should get more of the dead ones. They work so good. You don't even need live bait, guys. He followed it. He was looking at it. Oh my god. Oh, crap. He took it when he had it. Woo! Thought I'd let him fight a little more. He's not done. But bam! Peacock! Boom! Peacock bass. That's a little one. Oh, wow. You just ate... He just stole your bluegill. I don't know if you could see that. He literally just took your bluegill that you got hooked for. He'll kick that fish's tail. Get your fish back. That's a bigger one right there. That one just ate it right in front of me. Got him hooked too. Let me just show you off. You're a pretty one. That's a pretty fish, guys. Who's next? Ooh, he ate that right there. I think there was a bigger one with him though. In the corner of the mouth. Ow. Ow. That really hurt. Just rip some skin off, bud. It's like a 3-pounder, 2-pounder. It's a fat one. Look at that hump. There's your mate right there. Maybe I can catch her too. There he goes. I'm there. Took my damn hook. Look at that, guys. The same fish that broke me off, I got my hook back. That's crazy. I've never had that happen. Same damn hook, like right in the same spot. That shows you how aggressive they are right now. Hook number 1. Let me get that other one out of there. And hook number 2. That one, guys. Whew. You can get back to your bed now. Sum up the evening, guys. It's getting dark. That was my last bluegill, so I'm gonna head out, and that is a great fish to leave on. So make sure to check out that KastPro line. I'm also using the KastPro Kodiak and the KastPro Olympus. My whole setup is casting. I was using that 8-pound mono leader just to get that extra bite, and we got a lot of them today. We didn't get that monster we were looking for, but I mean, these are just absolute slobs of peacocks. Like, these are 2-3 pounders. Really, really fun fish to catch. Get out here to South Florida and do it, guys. And remember, guys, the KastPro line comes on biodegradable spools. Really good to help the environment. So I'll leave a link in the description to buy all my casting gear below. So check that out. God, that actually really is starting to hurt now, guys. I don't know if you can see that. My whole thumb is just destroyed from those peacocks. So that indicates a great day of fishing.